Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah and this is the continuation of how to create a color guesser in Scratch. Make sure you have watched part 1. So here is what we have now. But now, as you can see, it will ask what is my color, but it will not exactly change color. So now we're going to go to our costume editor. So now we are going to make different costumes for different numbers. So now in this pick random we have 1 to 5. So I'm going to add all of the 5 colors. So now we have to put them in order, else it will not work. The first one is purple and the second one is red, so I have to put red after purple. And the third one is orange, so I have to put orange after red. And the next one is green, and the next one is pink. Now all of them are in order. So we're going to add another one flag click forever. Switch costume to join apple banana. So in case if you didn't change your so now we have to change their name. Now we're going to add switch costume to none. So now we'll see that it will change color. So now it's orange. So now if I write orange and this color is orange, it's going to say correct. So now we are going to add a background. So to add a background, you can just set the background to any color you want. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.